Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Bitwig Studio and Acid Pro, two digital audio workstations that can both work with loops, but are aimed at very different kinds of producers. If you're deciding which one to use in 2025, this breakdown will help. Let's start with Bitwig Studio. Bitwig is one of the newer digital audio workstations in the industry, first released in 2014, but it's already built a strong reputation, especially among electronic music producers and sound designers. It's known for its modular environment, where you can connect devices and effects in unique ways to build your own instruments and processing chains. One of Bitwig's biggest strengths is its clip launcher, which works a lot like Ableton Live's Session View. This lets you trigger loops and patterns in real time, making it a great choice for live performance and improvisation. Bitwig also offers advanced modulation, MPE support, and a cross-platform experience, meaning it works equally well on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. In 2025, the latest updates have added even more creative devices, deeper modulation options, and better workflow tools for mixing and arranging. Now, let's talk about Acid Pro. Acid Pro has been around since the late 90s, and it was one of the first digital audio workstations to bring loop-based production to the mainstream. Its standout feature is real-time time stretching and pitch shifting. Drop in a loop, and it instantly matches your project's tempo and key. It's incredibly fast for building tracks, remixing songs, or creating mashups. Acid Pro also supports VST plugins, MIDI sequencing, multi-track recording, and automation. However, its interface hasn't changed much over the years. It's functional and lightweight, but not as modern or flexible as Bitwig's environment. Let's compare workflow. Bitwig is all about flexibility and creativity. You can work linearly in the arrangement view, or non-linearly with the clip launcher. Its modular system lets you experiment endlessly with sound design, which is perfect if you want to push boundaries and create something unique. Acid Pro, on the other hand, is built for speed and simplicity. If your main goal is to arrange loops quickly, remix existing material, or make beats without diving deep into sound design, Acid Pro makes that process effortless. So how do they compare in pricing? Bitwig Studio offers 3 editions. Essentials, €99, or about $109 US. This includes all the core features, 10 modulators, and a starter set of instruments and effects. Producer, €199, or about $219 US. This version adds more instruments, more effects, and expands modulation to 18 modulators. Full Bitwig Studio, €399, or about $439 US. This is the complete package, with 154 instruments and effects, 42 modulators, the full sound library, and access to the grid modular environment. Acid Pro offers Acid Pro 365, a subscription plan at $19.99 per month, Acid Pro 11 Producer Bundle, around $79.99 as a one-time purchase, and the Acid Pro 11 Suite, about $129.99, which includes extra loops and premium plugins. So which one is better? If you're an electronic music producer, sound designer, or live performer who wants cutting-edge modulation, a modular environment, and performance-friendly tools, Bitwig Studio is the way to go. If you're a loop-based creator, remixer, or hobbyist who values a fast, affordable, and easy-to-use digital audio workstation, Acid Pro is still a solid choice. Both can make professional music. It's just a matter of whether you want modern modular creativity or straightforward loop-based speed. Let me know in the comments. Are you Team Bitwig or Team Acid Pro? If this breakdown helped you decide, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more digital audio workstations comparisons. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating.